Hey guys, welcome back, or welcome. For those of you that don't know, my name is Jasmine and I'm having a really bad hair day. So let's show you guys what I'm working with here. Basically, it's like almost time to wash, but not quite that time yet because I don't like to wash my hair too frequently. So it's like in between that stage. I have really thick, I wouldn't say long, but so really thick medium hair. When it's almost time to wash, obviously it gets a little bit oily. Anywho, I wanted to put my hair up and back and out of my face, so I decided why not record it. This is gonna be my first hair tutorial, so all detangled. And you're ready to go. This is my first hair tutorial. I hope that you guys enjoyed, and if you did, don't forget to like and leave a comment. I love you guys. Thank you for watching.